Welcome. In this video I'm gonna demonstrate how easy it is to generate your own recipes with 123feed.com. First of all, you select your animal type. In this example we're gonna select layer. Then we're gonna select the available ingredients. You could select any ingredient you want. For this example we'll pick the concentrate, maize, wheat bran, soybean meal, fish meal and limestone. Then we're gonna fill in the prices. The prices all have to be in the same volume unit, and you could adjust if necessary. And then press calculate. And here are the recipes for pre-layer from 16 weeks till 5% of production, 5% of production till 42 weeks, and 42 weeks till end. And you can see on the right hand side how much you need to use for each ingredient. That's how easy it is to generate your own recipe with 123feed.com. Try it out now.